Yes, Gurudev. Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying in the home. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about the introduction of the quadrilaterals along with the days. It's a classification. Okay, in this class we should be discussing about the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Already we know that about the triangle and its the proof also completed. What is it? Sum of the three angles of the triangle is how many degrees, children? 180 degrees. Yes. So based on that only we have to be complete the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay. So then here is what I given the statement is means is sum of four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay. So quadrilateral is having the four sides, no? Along with that is four angles also having and four vertices also is there. Yes. So now ABCD is a one of the quadrilateral. Yes or no, children? So then in this one will become says to prove that one is I am drawing the one of the diagonal, that is AC. When you are drawing this diagonal will become says it is a forming the two triangles. Yes or no, children? So that is ABC is the one triangle and ADC is also one of the triangle. Yes or no, children? So in that is, so statement is a completed. What is that is? Sum of four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay. So then to prove, what do you want to prove, the children? That is angle A plus angle B, angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so that is the number, children. Sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, so then for that is construction. What on the construction, children? We join the AC. Yes or no, children? So that is join AC. Okay, so then proof, we are going for the proof. Okay, so that is in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Yes, so that is angle CAB plus CAB. Okay, you have to be observed only this triangle. Yes, don't go for this one. This is a ABC in this triangle. Angle A is that is angle CAB is and ABC plus BCA. Okay, so that is angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equals to 180 degrees. Yes or no, children? That is a sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, so then that is equation 1 you have to be considered this. As well as I am taking that is in triangle. What is another triangle, children? That is ACD. Okay, so this one is complete now. Now I am going for the second triangle, that is ACD. Okay, in triangle ACD, yes, in triangle ACD, sum of the three angles of the triangle is also how many degrees, children? 180, no? So that's why it becomes this angle DAC plus DAC means is this angle. Next ACD, this angle I am taking now. That is ACD plus CDA. Angle CDA is equals to 180 degrees. So this is the equation 2. Okay. So now we have to add these two equations because of to get that is sum of the four angles will become says. If we add this both will become says, we will get that is both triangles is, then there is a combining will become says quadrilateral will be get. Yes or no, children? So by adding that equation 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So that is 1 we are adding the left hand side values, after this right hand side values we should be add. Yes or no, children? So that is angle CAB plus ABC plus angle BCA plus second one is what is the second one children? DAC angle DAC plus ACD plus angle CDA is equals to all left hand side values are completed now. Next we are going to the right hand side. What is the right hand side value children? Here is 180 is there, here also 180 is there. Means is 180 plus 180. Yes or no children? So then after is CAB means is where we are going to CAB children? CAB means the this angle only now. Yes or no? So then CAB as is there. Okay. So other angle CAD. Where we are having that is CAD. CAD or otherwise DAC. DAC. Yes, DAC. These both are written in that one place. Yes. So that is angle CAB plus angle DAC. Okay. So means is by adding these both is what you are writing the children? Angle A is a completely you are writing now. Yes or no children? So that is ours is ABC is a complete is there. ABC means is complete angle we are writing now here. Yes or no children? So that is angle ABC. Next C. C will become also divided as two parts now. The two parts we should write it one place now. Yes. So that is angle BCA plus another one is ACD. ACD plus C is a complete now. D. D will become solid as a complete is A. That is CDA. Angle CDA is equals to 180 plus 180. How much you should be like this children? 360. Yes or no children? So then after is CAB plus DAC means is CAB means this angle and DAC means this angle. Sum of these both angles are what should be the children? Complete angle of the A only no children. So that is angle A plus. So then these two is a complete. Next ABC means is complete angle B. Next C will become is BCA plus ACD. BCA plus ACD means the sum of these two angles is what should be the children? Angle C plus CDA will become CDA. So that is a complete D is equals to 360 degrees. Yes or no children? So that is required to prove also what we are having children? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, have you got it now children? Yes. So that is proof of the sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Dear children, we are going to the one more example. So based on that angles only. But what I given the question first you have to understand please. Okay. So and angles of the quadrilateral. Okay. How many angles are there children in the quadrilateral? Totally 4 angles no. So the ratio is given. What is the ratio? So all in the ratio 2:3:7:6. Okay. Ratio is what given the children? 2:3:7:6. Okay. 4 angles also ratio is given. Now what is asking the question from that is find the measure of each angle of the quadrilateral. Okay. So angle will become the degrees will be get no. So the degrees is it we have to be find that is. Okay, so already in the lower class it means is 7th and 8th is 8. We found that is sum of the three angles of the triangle will become 180 degrees no. Based on that only you have to be finding here also. Okay, so dear children, in that is solution is the ratio of the angles of the quadrilateral. The ratio of angles of the quadrilateral is how much children? 2:3:7:6. Okay, so let it be the angles. Let and angles are and angles B. Yes, that is 2x, 3x, 7x and 6x. Okay, we took that is with the unknown variable will becomes is x. Okay, so then after this sum of the four angles of the quadrilateral is how many degrees children? 360 degrees, no? Yes. So based on that, sum of them, how much you should be get the children? 360 degrees. Yes or no children? So then that is 2x plus 3x plus 7x plus 6x is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so then 2 plus 3 will become 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So that is 18x is equals to 360 degrees. Then x is equals to 360 by 18, no children? So then 18 ones are 18, 2s are 36, remaining 0. That is x is equals to how much you are writing the children? 20 degrees. Okay, x is equals to how much you are the children? 20 degrees. Yes or no? So then we have to be find that is all angles. So therefore angles are 2x is the first one, no? So then 2 into 20 is equals to 226 40 degrees. Yes or no children? So then after this next one is 3x. Second one is 3x only, no children? So that is 3 into 20 is equals to 60 degrees. Then next one is 7x. So therefore 7x, 7 into 20 is 720 is 140. Next and fourth one is 6x and 4x will become 6 into 20 will become 620 is 120 degrees. Yes, so these are the angles of the quadrilateral. Okay, so then if you are finding the sum will becomes also we want to be get 360 degrees. Yes or no children? Then once what we count that is 40 plus 60 is 100, 100 plus 140 is 240, 240 plus 120 will become 360. Okay, so is the satisfying no children? So this is the process to find that is when they given as a ratio of the angles. Dear children, understood now? Yes, dear children, we are going to the one more theorem of that is about the parallelogram. Yes, along with this we will get that is the properties of the parallelogram also. Okay, so this is a one of the property of the parallelogram with the theorem proof. Okay, so what is given the children that is a diagonal of a parallelogram means is in a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal to children. Yes, and its the length diagonals will become is bisect each other. Yes or no children? So then here will becomes in the parallelogram when you are taking as a opposite sides are equal in the case that is AB is equals to CD as well as BC is equals to AD. Yes. So then the diagonal of a parallelogram divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Okay. What it can be divided is it can be divided to congruency triangles. Yes. So that is a ABC is congruent to ADC. We have to prove that is ABC triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Yes or no children? So for that is by which condition we have to prove that is means is by observing this figure will become says ABCD is a one of the parallelogram and when you are joining this one of the diagonal will become says it is forming the two triangles. Yes or no children? So then in that is triangle ABC and triangle ADC when you are observing this will become says here is AB is equals to CD as well as BC is equals to AD and AC is equals to AC. It is a common side. Yes or no children? So then by triplets congruency rule these two triangles are is a congruency triangles. Okay, so that is a process to complete this problem. Dear children, understand the process is? Okay, so now we are going to that is a proof that is given. What is given children? ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so then after is to prove. What do you want to prove, the children? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD or ADC. Okay, so that is a required to prove. Then in the proof will become is. Proof will become is join. What is join this children? AC. Okay, because of you want to be draw the diagonal now, so therefore join AC. Okay, so then when you are joined, it will become is in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. You are observing the two triangles only. Yes. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yes or no, children? So therefore, that is AB is equals to DC or CD. Yes. So next one is that is BC is equals to, in this triangle is BC is equals to AD. Okay, and as well as AC is equals to AC. Yes, so this is a common side. Yes or no, children? Common sides. Yes, so then by triple congruency rule. By triple congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, so that is a required to prove for us. Yes or no, children? So as well as when you are getting as these two triangles are the congruency triangle, by CBCD condition, what is the required means is a remaining angles and the sides which is equal, you have to be equalated. Yes or no, children? Yes, I hope you are all understand about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact me, and what we are sending the homework and the classwork must you have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you.